Hello, Celina with EXP Realty here, your trusted real estate advisor, and welcome to my December 2020 real estate update and the last one of the year. I'll be talking about what the heck happened this year, what is happening now, and my predictions for 2021, so you don't want to miss it. So, as you may have heard out there, it is a jungle for buyers. There is not a lot of houses for sale and the competition is brutal. Greater Phoenix is experiencing a demand 20% above normal since the beginning of the year. And this has created a frenzy. So it is natural to want to compare this market to the infamous bubble of 2006. However, what makes this market significantly different from the bubble and crash years is the relation between resale housing growth and population growth. In the early 2000s, housing was growing faster than population, creating an excess or a glut. And no one wanted to see it or acknowledge it because times were good. People were getting loans, houses were selling, builders were building. There was a lot of demand, but it was an artificial demand fueled by the loose lending practices of those times. Remember when just about anyone could get a mortgage loan? So when the mortgage industry started to collapse and the loan guidelines tightening up, the glut came roaring into focus. Unqualified buyers were not able to buy houses anymore, and vacant inventory soared to over double the normal levels. However, since 2006, the population has grown faster than housing. It took 14 years, but this population growth fueled by job growth has finally consumed that glut of resale housing that was created during the bubble years. And the pendulum swung to the other side now because the market is facing a shortage of homes for sale. So now we have more people than houses. The reason for this is that real estate has an inherent delayed reaction, meaning that whatever happens now, we will see the consequences in the future, sometimes 7-9 months, sometimes even years. So this year was crazy in terms of home values and appreciation, and we all know that this type of market of rapid appreciation is not sustainable over time. However, it is here now, and properties purchased today are expected to continue appreciating over the next 6 to 12 months. And like I said, this year was unlike any other. There was really no summer slowdown. July had a record number of closings go through the MLS, surpassing every single July as far back as 2001. So the best July in 19 years. Also, this July also broke records in dollar volume with $3.9 billion sold. The best July ever recorded since then was July of 2005. The monthly appreciation rate finalized at 12.5% higher than last year. What it basically means is that if you bought a house for, let's say, $300,000 a year ago, you will now pay $337,100 for the same house. Another thing worth noting is that 1/3 of the houses sold did so over asking price. Half of the homes sold since the summer got under contract in 7 days or less. Wow. Purchase contracts on luxury homes, which for us are those in the $1 million range, are up an incredible 93% over last year, same time. Contracts between $500,000 and $1 million are up 64%. Between $300,000 and $500,000, they're up 39%. And like I've been saying all year, if you need to sell, this is the time to do it. So there you have it. I've summarized 2020 as quickly as I could. That is then and now. But do you want to know my predictions for 2021? Well, I think that demand will continue to grow, and it will be even stronger than 2020. I think that prices will continue to increase, not at the same rate as 2020, but the momentum will continue. Mortgage interest rates will increase. Rents will continue to increase. Gosh, renting is so expensive right now. And thanks to the vaccine being out, that will give people the confidence to buy and sell, especially the sellers that wanted to sell in 2021 but were holding out due to the uncertainty of the pandemic. They will now come out in 2021. So hopefully that helps increase inventory a little bit. I also think that first-time home buyers will continue to struggle to find a home in this market. because prices will continue to appreciate and the mortgage rates will be increasing a little bit. I think the bottom level of the first-time home buyers will be affected the most. And lastly, and don't shoot the messenger, but I don't think the market will crash in 2021. Maybe in 2022, but not in 2021. So now, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree with my predictions. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but if you do, let me know how I did. Thank you so much, and until next year, take care.